Hello everyone, this is Steven from Xiamen Shougood wiper brand manufacturer. Today I want to introduce one wiper brand SGA20, which is very popular and wholesale in different markets. Regarding this wiper, we have our own patent, so I sincerely hope this wiper can match your requirement. Usually we call it beam braid, soft braid, and flat braid. This item is very quick and easy to replace, and suitable for U-hook wiper arms. As we know, almost 17 of the cars on the market use U-hook arms at present. It can fit for all weather performance. Now you can see this, the middle adapter. This design is very unique and looks very beautiful. We use the strong materials, so it's high and low temperature resistance strength. When you use it, you don't have to worry about the deformation. You can see this design, we call it end cap, which can fix rubber refill and prevent it from loosening. And then you can see this part, we call it spoiler. It's middle separate design, so it can fit for left and right driver cars. This spoiler also protects very well of the spring steel. Our another feature is rubber refill. And now, let me take out the rubber protector. You can see this rubber. The material is imported from Thailand. It's natural rubber. And our rubber is coated with Teflon. So when we use the rubber refill on rainy days, it's strong lubricity, well resistant and agent resistant for cloud and effective wiping. This is what I introduced to you today at SGA20. Don't forget it. And thanks a lot for watching my video. If you're interested or want to know more details about wiper blade, don't problem to contact with me. Our team will not refuse any kind requirement, okay? Let's meet in the next video. Thanks a lot. Bye.